What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Lopez family. I'd like to be showing you what I brought home from Great Wolf. First, I had gotten this punching thing. You have to press down this button to hit each other. Next, I got a yo-yo. Pretty cool. Next, I got this poppet thing that sticks to a wall. Next, I got this type of unicorn. I don't really know what it is. It looks ugly for some reason. I'm just not gonna say that again though. Next, I got this jump thing. You have to put it around your ankle and jump over this ball. Last, and I got a pen. And last but not least, I got this swirly maker or whatever it is. And I'm also gonna show you some stuff that I've always wanted to do, which my parents don't allow. I also got this thing that you have to make the balls into the hole. Oh, and this was me when I was younger. Me and my family. My aunt and my grandma, my grandma and pop. I also like this Spider-Man rope that my little brother has. And I don't know why there's a baby right there. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye!